Hi everyone, I'm Malika and welcome to my channel The Mesmerizing Foods. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make the perfect homemade pizza base, and we are also going to make a chicken pizza. So let's get started.
The ingredients we will need will be 3 and 1 by 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1 and 1/4 cups of warm water. It should not be hot. Add the salt and honey to the warm water and mix it. Sprinkle the top with yeast and keep it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, create a well in the center of the all-purpose flour. Give that yeast mixture a quick stir and pour it into the flour. After pouring, fold it with a wooden spoon. After some time, use your hands to bring the dough together. After mixing, the dough should not stick to clean and dry fingers. Now close it and let it rise for 4 to 5 hours at room temperature. It's been 5 hours and the dough has tripled in size. Turn the dough onto a well-floured surface. Make sure that there is enough flour on the surface or else the dough will stick to the surface. Now divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Fold each piece of dough 8 times like this. Make sure to be gentle. After folding, place the dough into a greased container, close it and refrigerate for 24 hours. Take the dough from the refrigerator 1 hour before you start making your pizza. Meanwhile, let's make an easy chicken topping for the pizza. For this, we will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil becomes hot, add the garlic and saute it for a few minutes. Next, add the chicken and continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, add the coriander powder, chili powder, oregano, salt and lemon juice and stir it. If you see that the chicken has left some water, make sure to drain the excess water before adding the masalas. Once the masalas are incorporated, add the yogurt and mix it in as well. After mixing in the yogurt, switch off the flame. After an hour, dust your work surface with flour and turn the dough onto it. Dust the top of the dough with some flour and start making your pizza with your hands. Try not to use a rolling pin. ladle full of pizza sauce onto the pizza dough and spread it evenly. I have a simple recipe for homemade pizza sauce which is amazing. So make sure to check it out. Now you can put on your favorite topping. I'm going to put some sliced onions, capsicums, shredded mozzarella cheese and the chicken that we had prepared earlier. You can layer it however you want. Our yummy pizza is now ready. Serve it hot.